One word substitution. One words denoting young ones. Adult, young one. Ash, fowl. Bird, nestling. Butterfly, moth. Caterpillar. Cat, kitten. Cock, cockerel. Cow, calf. Cow, heifer. Deer, fawn. Dog, puppy. Duck, duckling. Eagle, eaglet. Elephant, calf. Fowl, chicken. Frog, toad. Tadpole, goat, kid. Goose, gosling. Hare, leveret. Hen, pullet. Horse, fowl, colt. Lion, bear, fox, calf. Mare, filly. Owl, owlet. Pig, piglet. Sheep, lamb. Stallion, horse, colt or fowl. Swan, cygnet. One words denoting distinctive sounds. Apis, giver. Arms, clang. Asses, bray. A person in agony, moan. Babies, lisp. Bees, hum. Beetles, drone. Bells, jingle, chime. Birds, chirp, warble. Brakes, screech. Cattle, low. Camels, grunt. Cats, mew. Chains, clang. Coins, jingle, tinkle. Corks, pop. Cocks, crow. Crows, crow, caw. Deer, bell. Dogs, bark. Doors, creak, bang. Doves, coo. Duck, quack. Elephants, trumpet. Fire, crackle. Flies, buzz. Frog, croak. Glasses, tinkle. Goats, bleat. Guns, roar. Hens, cackle. Hoops, clatter. Horses, neigh. Silk, rustle. Hyenas, laugh. Jackals, howl. Larks, sing, warble. Leaves, rustle. Lions, roar. Mice, squeak. Monkeys, gibber. Nightingales, sing, warble. Owls, hoot. Oxen, cow, low. Pepper, crickle. Parrots, talk. Pigeons, coo. Pigs, squeal. Ravens, croak. Rain, patter. Rivers, murmur. Serpents, hiss. Silk, rustle. Teeth, chatter. Tigers, roar. Trees, sigh. Water, ripple. Wisp, crack. Wind, whistle. Wings, flap. Appropriate one word substitution collective words. An army or regiment of soldiers. A band of robbers, musicians. A banquet of flowers. A bevy of beauties, omen. A bundle of rags, sticks, firewood, lice, hay. A bunch of keys, grapes, flowers. A brood of chickens. A boat of doctors, trustees. A caravan of camels, pilgrims. A chain of events, mountains. A class of students, persons. A clump of trees. A cloud of locusts. A cluster of grapes, islands, stars. A consignment of goods. A course of lectures. a crew of soldiers, a galaxy of stars, a group of islands, a grove of trees, a herd of cattle or deer, a hive of bees, a heap or mass of ruins, sand, rubbish, a horde or tribe of Arabs, a litter of pups, pigs, a pack of hounds, wolves, cards, a pair of shoes, a pile of books, a range of mountains, a series of events, a stack of hay, wood, a shoal of fish, a shower of rain, arrows, a shape of grains, a swarm of bees or flies, a curriculum of studies, a drop of cattle, a suit of clothes, a tuft or lock of hair, a fleet of sheep, a flock of sheep, generally small animals, geese, a gang of thieves, robbers. Miscellaneous of one word substitution. A bell rings or tolls. A clock ticks. Birds fly. Fishes swim. A vessel, a dead body or a piece of wood, etc. floats. We row a boat. We drive a carriage or a car. We ride a horse or a bicycle. Rumbling of thunder gun heavy carriages, meaning a low, heavy, continued sound. Rattling of thunder gun heavy carriages, meaning a sharp, continued sound. Roll of drum of thunder. Flapping of wings. Fluttering of sails, flags, and wings. Clapping of hands. Chattering or clang of hoops or weapons. Steamers run or ply between one place and another. A ship sails. We blow or sound a whistle or a bugle. We play upon a musical instrument. A train runs. One word substitution. Similes, upoma. As cunning as a fox, as white as snow, as slow as a snail, as beautiful as a rainbow, as poor as a church mouse, as light as feature, as black as quail, as fast as a hare, as proud as a peacock, as blind as a bat, as heavy as lead, as gentle as lamb, as graceful as swan, as bold as a lion, as brittle as glass, as cold as ice, as fat as a pig, as hot as fire, as old as hills, as bright as the light, as busy as a bee, as dry as a bone, as hard as a stone, as fast as lightning.